How to make a tower defense game in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video will focus about making the path of an enemy. Now first, create a path. And then add a folder to your workspace. Now change its name to waypoints. After that, add some parts to your waypoints. After that, add a avatar. Then after that, add a script to your added avatar and then paste the script right here. And now let's try to run it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome content like this. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.